I'm going to show you how you can navigate around Outlook with ease. So in Outlook, we have our emails, we have our calendars, our contacts, our tasks, or also now known as to-do, and we have our notes. And I'm going to show you how you can navigate to each part of those with ease. So as you see, I'm currently in the calendar mode. And to access that, you can hit Ctrl 2. But say I want to go back to my inbox, I can do that. All I have to do is hit Ctrl 1. And now you see I am back within my mailbox. If I hit Ctrl 2, I go back to the calendar. Ctrl 3 to go to my contacts. Ctrl 4 to go to do. And then Ctrl 5 opens up our apps area, to which I can go to my tasks, my folders, notes, shortcuts, or any of the other Microsoft 365 applications.